is from KandyPens, and it is for nicotine salts and CBD. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The tape was a little hard to peel off, so let's see. Before, so while I'm trying to get this open, I just want to let you guys know that we do have a website and we ship everywhere in the US. I still can't get this open. That was a lot easier. There's a tape that goes around the whole box, so I kind of have to pull that all off. Oops. Okay, so it comes with this little instruction guide. Your rules, your limits, your boundaries, your Rubi. Sounds legit, right? So this to me looks a lot like the Juul. Actually, it's extremely similar, a lot more similar than I thought. And it comes with a USB for charging purposes. It looks like these are little extra stoppers for your little cartridge thing here to put your juice in. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this one off and peel this one off. And let's see how we fill this baby up. Okay. You fill it from the side here, and I'm going to be using Rubi salt, the grape guava. This is 50 milligrams. It's the nicotine salt. It smells really good, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this on its side. I'm also reading the instructions while I'm trying to figure out how to do this. And then these little stoppers are what's gonna hold the juice inside. So I filled it about halfway. It's not staying on its side very well, so I'm just gonna try to lean it that way. So it's instructing me to prime it, which means to just kind of let the juice sit in there for a minute and take some dry pulls from it to try to get the juice circulated. My nails are not working with this device, so I'm actually gonna bring my camera a little bit closer so I can show you guys what's going on here. All right, so I just really quickly wanted to show you guys that it's charging now. It has this little red thing here showing that it's actually really dead, so I'm gonna have to wait on that. And up close, here is the juice that I'm using. It is Rubi Salts Grape Guava, and it is 50 milligrams. Over here I have the setup of all the Rubi colors that we have. So we have this purplish, bluish color. We have the black. It's different than the steel one here. It's a lot lighter. We have this really pretty seafoam green, and we have the red, and we have this one. It's beautiful. It's the rose gold one. It also comes in gold, but we've already sold that one, so I can't show you guys what it looks like. So I'm just gonna let this charge for a little bit, and I will be back to show you guys what it does. I'm hoping that it gives me bigger clouds than this, my little Juul. I love my Juul, but trying out new things is always fun too, right? So let's see what it does. Okay, so now that I kind of have this charged a little bit, it's still on red. It's been about 15 minutes. All right, so it says to pool. Do your dry hits. So I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 of them. That's what it says. All right, now I'm gonna connect it. It did light back up, so. Oh, is it not gonna show us again? I don't know if you guys missed that, so. Oh, I turned it right when it happened. Oh, you saw that? Okay, great. Stick it back in there. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my first hit of this, so wish me luck. That is a very different taste. Ooh. Kind of burns my tongue, but I am, just with that little bit of battery, I'm getting a huge difference in the cloud. And I'm not trying to downplay the Juul. I freaking love this thing. Like, I will keep this with me wherever I go. So, but just as a comparison, like, there's that cloud, and then let's try this again. There's that one. So it's not the best taste, but This is the first time that I'm trying this line, so I probably wouldn't use this one again, but. So this is the Rubi, like I said. I am going to try more flavors with it, order some more juices and see how I like it. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. We have an Instagram. We're also going to be doing a grand opening party on Saturday. It is going to be November 10th, 2018. And we're gonna be doing giveaways. So if you live in Tampa and you're interested, come hang out with us on Saturday from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m.